Hello everyone, my name is Miss Megan. I'm the site director at Eucalyptus Elementary, and today what project we're going to do is a DIY ring toss. So the materials you will need for this project are paper plates, a paper towel holder, or you can just use a water bottle. You're going to need scissors as well as markers and color pencils. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your paper plate and then you're going to want to cut the center out. So you're going to want to fold it. Of course, take your scissors, cut a little line through it, and then use that to work your way around and cut the middle, which is a circle, out of your paper plates. Once you have decorated your plates, then you can take your paper towel holder, and you're more than welcome to decorate it if you want to or not, as well as if you want to decorate your water bottle. So once you've decorated your paper towel holder, I would recommend, if you can, to take a paper plate, and if you have tape, to tape it down because it is very hollow.
Alright, so as you see, I brought it outside. You have tape on the line and just set up your water bottle.